Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In today's practical video, we are going to learn about very important diagnostic test, the oxidase test. This test is used in micro labs to differentiate between bacteria based on their ability to produce the enzyme cytochrome C oxidase. Let's make it simple. First of all, we'll discuss about its principle. The principle of oxidase test is based on detecting cytochrome C oxidase enzymes. These enzymes are present in bacterial electron transport chain. These enzymes catalyze the transfer of electrons from cytochrome C to oxygen. When oxidase reagent, which is tetramethyl phenylenediamine dihydrochloride, is applied, it acts as an artificial electron donor. If cytochrome oxidase is present, the reagent gets oxidized, which means purple or dark blue color develops. If it is absent, there will be no color change. There are two methods to perform oxidase test. One is filter paper method and other is oxidase reagent strip method. Filter paper method is most commonly used. Materials that are required to perform filter paper method are Whatman filter paper or any absorbent paper, oxidase reagent, which is 1% tetramethyl phenylenediamine dihydrochloride, and wooden applicator stick, pure bacterial culture, which are usually grown on nutrient agar, blood agar, or other non-selective media, not McConkey agar, because it may give false results. First of all, we'll place a strip of filter paper in clean petri dish and then moisten it with freshly prepared oxidase reagent. Then we put a drop of oxidase reagent on filter paper and close this reagent bottle. Then, using a sterile loop or wooden stick, pick a small amount of bacterial colony from culture plate, usually from nutrient agar plate. Keep in mind that we cannot use platinum loop because it may cause false positive reactions due to oxidation. Smear the colony onto the reagent soaked filter paper like this. After this, observe for color changes within 10 to 30 seconds. This blue or dark purple color shows positive results, and if these colors do not appear, it means that the bacteria are oxidase negative, like E. coli, Klebsiella, etc. And the bacteria that give positive results are Pseudomonas, Neisseria, Vibrio cholera, etc. We prefer a filter paper method because it is inexpensive, easy to prepare, give rapid results, and better for teaching or practicals. And the strips of oxidase reagent strip method are not commonly available in routine labs. So oxidase test is quick and reliable way to differentiate oxidase positive bacteria like Pseudomonas and Neisseria from oxidase negative bacteria like Enterobacterias. Always use fresh reagent, perform quality control, and remember that the filter paper method is gold standard in most teaching and diagnostic labs. Thank you so much.